Greetings and welcome back. This tutorial will show you how to order services directly from the portal. Watch services can be ordered and modified directly from your portfolio. For convenience, we've also activated the ability to order change watches, like web page change, directly from your domain name reports in the table view. Access your portfolio from the user icon or directly from your portfolio widget on your dashboard. Here you will find a list of your CheckMark watch services, brands, expiration dates, and other pertinent information. Click the column headings to sort. Utilize the search boxes for a quick, free text search. Select options from the drop-downs to pinpoint what you're looking for. As with all drop-downs, you can make more than one selection. Double-click the row to see additional details of the watch service, including the watch type, report frequency, your reference number, report delivery addresses, classes if applicable, etc. The watch ID is located here. You can modify or discontinue the watch service from here. Use the Modify button to make administrative changes to that particular watch. Below the watch ID and brand, there's a free text field. Simply type in your request, such as add or remove a report delivery address, modify the coverage, add or remove classes or jurisdictions, change report frequency, and hit Submit. Our support team will confirm your Modify Watch request via email and reach out to you with any questions or for additional information. Hit Delete to discontinue the watch. Be sure to specify either Cancel Now, meaning stop the monitoring immediately and do not send me any reports, or Do Not Renew, meaning let the watch expire but keep sending me reports until the expiration date. Enter any special instruction or requests into the free text field. Remember, all watch services automatically renew unless canceled 30 days prior to the expiration date. Hit Delete. Our support team will confirm your cancellation request via email and request clarification if required. Let's go back to the list. To order a new watch service, click the Order button. Insert the name of the brand to watch. Select your watch type from the drop-down. If you're ordering a trademark watch, insert your classes. If it is any other watch type, this field will not be visible. Insert the email addresses to which reports are to be delivered. You can also set up CC and BCC recipients. If you have a matter number or internal reference number, insert it here. This will appear on all watch notices as well as on your invoice. Please insert any special instructions, notes, or comments relating to this watch service, desired coverage, any special coding or filtering requirements, basically anything you deem is important for us to know. For example, you can write, "Please include homograph coverage with my global domain name watch," or "We are not interested in trademark watches from Italy." Hit Submit. Our support team will confirm your order via email and request clarification if required. If you'd like to modify multiple watches at the same time, make your selections from the checkboxes on the left and hit Modify. Same procedure as before. Add in any comments or special instructions and hit Submit. Our support team will confirm and reach out to you with any questions or for additional information. Let's explore the direct activation of a change watch service. But first, let's review what is a change watch service. CheckMark change watches are part of the Internet category of watch services and specifically relate to domain name registrations and their associated web pages or WHOIS data. Web page change monitors a particular web page and notifies you when a change is detected. Very useful to monitor for compliance of a C&D, for content changes on an infringing page, to create a record or exhibits for a potential litigation, or to monitor web pages with no content or with the registrar holding page as the only content. Web Page Alert monitors a specific web page for a particular term and notifies you when a change is detected. Whois change notifies you of changes to a particular Whois record. DNS change notifies you of changes detected to the MX record, IP address, CNAME record, or redirect of a particular domain. So let's jump to your domain hits. Once you've identified a potentially dangerous registration and you'd like to monitor that page for changes, you can activate a change watch directly from that hit. Double-click to view the details and the screenshot captured during detection. You can check the live site by clicking on the link and it will open in a new browser tab. Hit Order Change Services. Select the desired service. Agree with the terms and conditions. Hit Submit. Our support team will confirm and reach out to you with any questions or for additional information. We trust this tutorial was helpful and will allow you to make the most of the system. Be sure to browse the knowledge base on our website for additional training videos and FAQs. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified when new video tutorials are published on our channel. Have a great day and enjoy the new system.